Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a hyperlink into your Microsoft Word document. A hyperlink basically is a hidden link that can take you outside of your Microsoft Word document and you insert it in there in a word that you don't want the link to be displayed. Usually a link is displayed like this, right? Facebook.com. But if I just type in Facebook and I want to control click it to be taken there, uh, I can't, but there's another way. Just mark up the word that you want to hyperlink, right click on it and select hyperlink. And now you can type in the address here. There we go. It's already typed out for me and click OK. And now you can see that it went blue. That means that it's a link. And this word will take us to the same website as here. You can see when I put my mouse over it, it says facebook.com. So that's how you hyperlink. You can pretty much hyperlink anything. It doesn't it doesn't need to be the name of the website. It can be, for example, cheese. And if I want, this will bring me to www.com, google.com. And there we go. Now if I control click this, it took me to Google. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.